Garage Door, Tampa, Florida. If you are looking for a garage door in Tampa, Florida, then give us a call. We specialize in garage door spring repair. Don't try to replace your garage door springs yourself. It can definitely be dangerous. We also handle garage door installations, new garage doors, or fixing and replacing your garage door motor or opener. Basically, if you have a problem with your garage door, we can fix it. At Garage Door Repair of Tampa, we pride ourselves on being reliable, professional, and offering the lowest possible price on a quality garage door repair. Bottom line is, we show up on time and do what we say we're going to do. So give us a call for all your garage door repair needs.
Are you interested in finding out more information? You can contact today's guest at the number on your screen. Thanks for stopping by.